Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tappingflamingo, and today's video is all about a collaboration challenge that I'm joining in called Jewelry Making Fun, and it is hosted by Deb Hawk, and I'll leave more details about that down in the description box below, along with all the other participants, so hoping you'll go check to see what they made after you check out to see what I made. Anyway, I kind of got stumped a little bit. So for January of 2025, Deb wants us to use two of these suggested colors. We have lilac, we have mint gray, blue gray, steel blue, and charcoal. And she would like us, if possible, to use some type of a gemstone. It could be semi-precious or something, but a real stone, and that's what has stumped me, and I'll talk about that in a little bit. She wants us to make a winter jewelry set, which that's just an option. The only must, though, is that we have to use two colors that she suggested. Now, for the mint gray, she said like Amazonite would be good, which it is, and for charcoal, she mentioned hematite, and for the lilac, I could use amethyst, and I have all of those, but I don't know. These colors are not meshing for me for some reason. I have used lavenders or like a purple and Amazonite type color before, and they look really good, but what's throwing me is the winter and like the charcoal stuff. So, and I know I don't have to use them, but anyway, let me kind of show you what I've come out with. So I got these really pretty lavender glass beads. Aren't they pretty? Look at the shine on those. These sparkle really nicely. But I got these from BB Craft some time ago, and I've got quite a few of them, and I want to use those for sure. Look at the sea turtle. I love sea turtles. I mean, I'm a flamingo gal, but I really do like sea turtles a lot too. And look at the colors in here. We've got the blues, and there's some purple in there. I mean, it's more of a deeper purple than the lilac, but it does work well with these beads here. And then I've got all kinds of Amazonite colored beads, but they're not Amazonite, and I'm trying to find something in this that is a stone, and the only thing I can come up with is hematite. So let's see how this works out. I think I'm going to make a stretch bracelet. Got my stretch cord here. And I've got my E6000 glue. And let me get my beads ready here. All right, here's a close-up of what the colors look like together. Actually, they're not going to look too bad. Let me string them up on my stretch cord, and we'll see what it looks like then. All right, so I've got that done. I actually really like this. They came out a lot nicer than what I thought. All right, and I've already tried it on my wrist. It's going to be big enough. And so now what do I need to do is I need to secure it. I did not pre-stretch my cord, and you do need to do that. Let's see, I need to, where are my scissors? Cut some off. And then stretch the cord. Because if you don't, what happens is over time your cord is going to stretch out, and then it's going to be too big for you, and the beads are going to be loosey-goosey, and you don't want that. It's not going to look good. All right. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is just tie a knot. And I tie this really good. I'm always afraid it's going to break. Okay, so now I'm going to do what's called a surgeon's knot. And instead of going under once, you're going to go twice. Okay, I go on one side, and I'm going to flip it over and do it the other side. I can't tell how many times I did that. Let me try that again. I think it went around twice, but I'm not sure. There's 1 and 2. There we go. Okay, now I got to get my E6000 glue out. And I have to say, I like these. Well, so these I like. I like this better than this. This, you take the top off and it runs. This does not. And I don't know, I got this in like the hardware area, and I got this in the jewelry area. I don't know if it makes a difference where you get them, or maybe this is an older tube, this is a newer tube, and they've got new tops now. I don't know, but anyway. All right, I'm going to get a piece of paper here. And I'm going to put a little dab of glue. See how it's not coming out? It's not just oozing all over the place like that other one does. All right, so I'm going to put the glue on this knot. I got a little bit too much there, but there we go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to feed it into my turtle. All right, I got it all done. And I clipped the edges, the ends, and I got my bracelet. I like the colors of this. I didn't think I was going to, but it turned out really good. Goes to show you sometimes you don't know until you try. Anyway, I want to thank Deb for hosting this challenge this year. She's doing a little bit different, and I actually like her challenges. And I look forward to the rest of the year. I hope you go check out all the other participants, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.